The lawyer who kept the retainer. Today's courtroom drama takes a shocking turn when a frustrated man demands his money back from the lawyer who was supposed to fight for him. What starts as a simple complaint quickly spirals into a tense legal showdown that no one saw coming. A man named Daniel Price walks into court, claiming his former attorney, Mr. Bellman, took $3,000 as a retainer and never finished the job. Judge Harper, known for her sharp tongue and zero tolerance for nonsense, takes the bench. The courtroom falls silent. "Mr. Price," she begins, "you hired this lawyer for a matrimonial case, correct?" "Yes, Your Honor," Daniel replies, holding his paperwork tight. "I paid him $3,000 up front, but he didn't complete what I hired him for." Judge Harper narrows her eyes. "Mr. Bellman, where are you licensed to practice?" "State of Washington, Your Honor." "And have you been continuously licensed since 1990? "Yes, Your Honor, no suspensions." The judge nods, flipping through the retainer agreement. According to this, half of that fee was non-refundable, and the rest was billed at $243 per hour. "You both signed this?" Daniel sighs. "Yes, but I never got a copy." "Then you understood," the judge says firmly, "that no matter what, you weren't getting $1,500 back. That was the non-refundable half." Daniel looks frustrated but nods. "Yes, Your Honor." "Good," she says. "So at best, you're only arguing about what portion of the other half was used." The tension rises. The judge leans forward. "Mr. Price, how many hours did this lawyer actually spend working for you?" Daniel counts on his fingers. "We met once at his office for about half an hour. Then we met again at a coffee shop for about an hour to prepare for court. And finally, we went to court together once for about an hour. So that's roughly 2.5 hours. Judge Harper calculates out loud. "And that's all the contact you had?" "That's it, Your Honor." Now all eyes turn to the lawyer. "Mr. Bellman, did you complete the case?" He clears his throat. "Not entirely. I concluded the domestic violence portion, but Mr. Price dismissed me before the divorce part was done." The judge raises a brow. "Dismissed you, or did you withdraw?" "I was released, Your Honor. But before that, I got the protection order against him dismissed. The opposing attorney agreed to drop it." "That's a solid result," the judge says. "So your work had value." Bellman nods. "Yes, Your Honor. I'd say I worked more than $1,500 worth, probably closer to $3,000. The judge crosses her arms. "Show me your records." Bellman freezes. "I don't have the bill with me." The judge's tone sharpens. "You came to court without an itemized bill? You're charging by the hour. That means you document every call, every meeting, every court date. You don't just make up numbers in front of a judge." Bellman tries to explain. "Your Honor, when he fired me, he said he never wanted to hear from me again. I have a draft bill on my computer, but I didn't bring it because of that." The judge's eyes flash. "That's not how this works. If you charge hourly, you keep proof. And if you can't show it, the court assumes you didn't earn it." The courtroom goes silent. Daniel's face lights up with relief. Judge Harper slams her pen down and delivers the final line. "Mr. Bellman, you kept $3,000 and can only justify a few hours of work. You owe him $2,400. Judgment for the plaintiff." The crowd murmurs as the gavel strikes. The lawyer looks stunned, and Daniel finally smiles. In the end, justice was simple. Keep records, earn your fees, and never underestimate a judge who knows exactly when someone's bluffing.